Colton, were you painting? Hey, what were you doing? Come here. What were you doing?
I paint a wheel.
What were you doing?
I paint a wheel.
You were painting? The wheel? Show me what you did.
Daddy and paint.
Oh yeah?
Daddy and paint. A deer.
You didn't like the tire black?
Yeah.
You wanted it to be white?
Yeah.
You're painting it? Don't do it! No more!
A deer.
Yeah, I know you did it right there.
A deer.
Yeah.
A deer.
Okay, we're not gonna paint Daddy's truck anymore, okay?
A deer.
No, no more painting the truck, only the door.
Eat. The door?
Yeah. No painting Daddy's truck, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I love you.